possible that it's going in the door right there. Look at how that's just dripping, a continuous drip. I bet you 10 to 1, that's it.
That door?
Yeah. Hardly anything coming out here.
I just got to angle the water the way you want it.
Well, I mean, you just imagine if it was a rainstorm, you know?
Yeah, it would be just coming down everywhere.
Yeah. After 15 minutes of water, there's no moisture coming through any of the plenums. We were thinking it was going to be coming through the doors. Looking at our condensate trap. Small crack, I'll put some caulking in there. I don't know if that would transmit water too bad. Going on 1 hour of hosing down the roof. No moisture. So to summarize, we drenched this unit with water and just checked every which way, and there was no water coming through. And the door looked suspicious, like maybe water was coming through there. So at the very end, after over an hour of water, we took the door off and found that the supply side was allowing water in and saturated the insulation on the door, and ultimately that's going to just continue to drip into the plenum. But the return air was so dirty we decided to vacuum it out before continuing to test the condensate drain line. But having tested that several times for just a few minutes, pretty confident that that's flowing good and not really our issue. So that'll be our next step. So after an hour of water or so, we took the door off, and for sure it's collecting water. So it just hadn't had time. It probably is going to take 4 or 5 hours before it actually starts dripping down into the plenum.